I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming exactly what Windows version and build you have, because updates must match. Once done, grab an 832 GB USB drive and access a different computer with internet. On that machine, either download the full Windows ISO via the Media Creation tool or collect specific KB, MSU, and CAB packages from the Microsoft Update Catalog. Make sure to note x86 versus x64, and whether you need Home, Pro, or Enterprise packages before moving files to the USB. You now transfer the chosen files to the offline PC using the USB drive. Once connected, mount the ISO in File Explorer or extract the CAB files to a folder. For MSU files, run WUSA, exe filename, MSU as administrator. For CAB packages, use dism/online/add package/package path/package. CAB. Install prerequisite updates first, then cumulative updates, and finally drivers. Make sure to run installs as admin and watch for prompts. Some installers require a restart between packages. You finish by rebooting the system after the final update and then verifying the new build with WinVer or settings about. Once booted, check update history to confirm each KB installed. If something fails, make sure the package matched your architecture and build. Then run sfc/scano to repair system files and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health if needed. If an install error persists, review C/Windows/logs/cbs/cbs log for specific codes and reapply the correct KB or use the ISO upgrade path to recover.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.